What if your cashew shelling line handled every stage of separation, completely, automatically, so nothing extra was needed downstream? TTQ's fully automatic 16-head cashew shelling line processes 560 kilograms of raw cashew per hour, with over 90% whole kernel recovery, operated by just 2 people. Here's why no extra sorting equipment is needed. After the 16-head cutter, a vibration sieve separates kernels from shells. A dual-outlet fan system routes everything intelligently. Shells go one way, shell-attached kernels go another. 2 roller sorters and high-speed centrifuges then strip and clean every kernel before it leaves the line. Shells are blown directly to storage. One control panel manages it all. Over 90% whole kernels, under 3% breakage. Fully separated output, no manual sorting, no additional equipment required between shelling and the next stage. You can trial this line at our factory in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and see every stage run live before you decide. Visit cashewplus.com or WhatsApp us today. TTQ, built for serious cashew processors.